Okay, all right. Welcome everyone, and this is the walkthrough of price action analysis of Bank Nifty futures using 1 minute candlestick chart. Today is 21st of October 2015. You can see that price opened within yesterday's range, tried to go down or poked below yesterday's low, which is this dark blue line, and it failed there and came back up all the way and crossed the moving average. Did not manage to close above it. So it's basically a trading range bar with tails on both the sides, uh, and there's a failure to go below yesterday's low. So what are the information points that we gather from this? Is that prices, one is both buyers and sellers are trying to create an equilibrium here, but at the same time it failed to go below yesterday's low. So that basically means we have possible bullish strength here. That is what we will see if it unfolds or not, right? And you can see that bar 2 immediately both started taking charge. It did not allow any bears to take it down further. Bar closed very strong above bar 1's high and at the high of bar 2. So that indicates a strength from bull's perspective. Bar 3, no continuation, kind of a doji bar or a trading range bar, and it's a bearish close, slightly bearish. It's not much of a failure there, right? Bar 4 again a doji bar. Bulls try to poke above bar 3 high and couldn't manage to do anything. Then we see bar 5, which is a strong bear bar. Now this could be a failure, but not sure yet. We need to see what happens next. We don't have enough information at this point of time. Whenever we see this kind of a price action, which is basically bar 1 and bar 2 have shown some kind of a movement, we need to see if we can get a pullback entry now. Okay, bar 1 is a trading range bar, but bar 2 clearly is moving away from it and closing above it, and bar 3 and 4, even though they're not a continuation from bull's perspective, but bears couldn't push it down uh, considerably, right? So we look at the possibilities. Now what are the possibilities is basically two-legged pullback or triangle kind of a pattern. Okay, so you see bar 5 against again bulls, bar 6, bulls being able to hold the price and managed to close positive. So bears did not get continuation even after bar 5, which was a strong bear bar. Bar 7, bulls couldn't even do much here. It's a tail at the top, so bears still not allowing bulls to take complete charge. Bar 8 and 9, you can see that 8 is a doji bar, and 9 it poked above bar 8 high and tried to go down. But what you see here is basically one push up, second push up, one push down, and this is the second push down. This low is 17,847, and this low is 17,847.3. So it's being held slightly above this low, and so higher lows are being made, even the lower highs are being made. So it's a triangle pattern, right? So bar 10 is this where the bulls bought below this bar and they pushed the prices up. It stalled here around trend line resistance here, and then we got this bar. Now this is possible long entry for some traders. I was not able to take this because I wanted a good signal bar and not a uh, bar with a tail. But for some, this could be an okay entry because the bulls are able to hold the ground. Okay, because it's all about the context, whether you understand the context correctly, which side is gaining the strength, and you go with it. That's the main principle of trading, right? right? So that's why you see this breakout, this bar. Bulls bought the close of this bar immediately, right? So they did not allow bears to take control at all. That's what you see here. But again, this is not a very strong or conducive move by the bulls, and that's why you don't see a continuation. Some flip flop here, and then a breakout again, right? So not a very strong or nice move, but it is moving up. Okay, then it failed here, and the prices came down all the way to here, which is about 22. Right now, there was no failure that at least I could think of, which could be traded for a short opportunity, right? So nothing happened here, nothing happened for here as well. Now this is an interesting price action that happened that will really help everyone to avoid getting trapped in a trading range. You see this bar with tails on top and bottom, and inside bar, another bar with tails on top and bottom, another bar with tails top and bottom. So what kind of price action is this, right? Sideways with tails, right? So kind of a trading range price action, and that's what happened. This is basically high is 63.4. This went up few ticks and failed in and tried to go down. What happens? Bar 27, immediate failure, right? Price tried to go up, and then it went up about this bar 22 high, failed again, try to go down. Now you could trade this kind of a price action once you know that this is a trading range, clear price action. You could look at scalping, but there has to be enough room and nice signal bar has to be there. But you need to avoid these kind of price action because it will not move much and you'll need to stay longer or be patient, and it's not worth the effort, right? So you could see that till 9:45, which is the 30 minutes from when it began, nothing much was there. I did not take any trades here at all. So clearly nothing day for me, but there was something that I felt would be useful for readers or viewers to gain from. That's why I'm presenting this. Hope it helped. Thank you.